Ready.
Hello, this is Esther Lamnyam, estherlamnyam.com of Imitate Nature. I had a video on kola nuts, and some of you wanted to know what palm wine is. So I finally come to Cameroon, and here is Pa. This is a raffia bush, and Pa is tapping palm wine. So, Pa is gonna go ahead. He already discovered that was where the palm wine, that one was ripe. So he cut that palm off because the sap is what is gonna pull the wine. So he connects the plastic container. You see the sap in there, that's the palm wine. See, the sap taps out. See that? That's that sap. It comes out just a little. He goes in and cuts that. Oh, this is awesome. He cuts the stem, the middle, but you have to be an expert to know which one of these stems will yield the palm wine. So when he cuts it like that, this has to be done every day, or maybe morning and evening. And then he connects the container and he secures that pole so that it doesn't fall off. That's how they tap the palm wine in the village. And Pa is tapping that. He's already gotten some palm wine. We're going to drink this palm wine. We don't have cups, so we're going to use cocoyam leaves and carve them out as our cups to drink some of this wine. Let me see. I'm pinning on. I can cut it like this. Don't cut it. Okay. Just let me hold it while you. So Pa's already tapped that out. So we're gonna get some palm wine in there. This one now is very, very sweet because it's just fresh. So it's just sap. If you keep it, if you keep it for hours, then it starts fermenting. That's when it becomes alcoholic. But at this stage, see, so we're getting some of the palm wine again. Yeah. You can drink some of this. This is like, I've worked hard to drink this. I've worked hard to get to this stage to drink this. You see that that is the palm wine. See that? It's just palm wine. This is the palm wine. It's very delicious. Just sweet. It's of the palm itself. Straight. There's no water in it. There's nothing else. It's just nature at its best. But if you keep it for hours, then it's gonna become. If you keep it for hours, then it will become alcoholic. So that's the palm wine of the palm. So we can go ahead now and drink this. So whoever was asking me about palm wine, lemon jote pono. See that Pa is gonna pour him some. So we don't have, so we're improvising this. That's our cups. How is it?
Oh, it's fine.
Very delicious, right? Yeah. Good. So thank you. This is Esther Lamnyam again of Imitate Nature. Go to my website, estherlamnyam.com, for more information. See